Hey everybody, welcome to Brad's Gadgets. Today I've got a fuel filter here and I'm going to show you how to replace it on a Mercury Outboard engine. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to need to do is to remove the cowl cover on your outboard engine. There's usually a lever in the back that you can just pull and the motor cowl cover will come right off. Put it aside in a safe spot so you don't damage it. Next, you gotta locate your fuel filter, and on this particular model, it's on the starboard side. Now, these two little red tabs here is what we're going to be pushing in, and those will undo the connections to the fuel filter itself. So just reach in, and with your finger you can push into the little red clip and pull the end off. And we'll do the same for the other side. Just reach in, use your finger, and pull it off. It doesn't take much force at all. So now you can see the difference between the dirty one and the clean one. In the sun there. Now be aware there's a little arrow pointing out the direction of fuel flow, and you want to make sure that you put it back in the right way. So just snap into its holder and snap the two little clips on, and voila, it's ready to go. Then all you have to do is put your cowl back onto your outboard motor. There's a little lip in the front usually. Just gotta seat that right. Snap it down and just give it a good wiggle to make sure it's not coming back off. Hopefully that helped you out. If you got any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section down below. And as always, we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching, everybody.